Alright, I had to make a quick field repair on the rear left mount bracket for the truck camper deck. And what had happened is there was a little bit of, it's almost coming up on 30 years old, so there was a little bit of dry rot in here. So I put a second strap in here to hold that end up because it was sloping, tilting down a bit. So I've got 2 bolts here and 2 bolts there, and then they go through on the inside where I have a bracket with 2 bolts going down through the mount here. You see the 2 bolts in the back there, and then we have our 2 bolts here that go through there. Yes, and getting there. And then just to strengthen the connection for the rear of the jack, I put in a 3.5-inch stainless steel 3/8 bolt because I couldn't find a nut for the 5/16 bolt. But it fit in there, and it's good. It's on a metal bracket, so it's very solid. Anyway, so that'll make the bracket all nice and solid again. And we do climb up. We put a step here and up, and then get onto the deck to go into the camper. And I've got my factory Ford jack here. It says Ford on there somewhere, I'm pretty sure. But it wasn't long enough. So, I got a piece of firewood as a jack extension. And I put that up under here to jack the mount bracket for the jack for the deck up. So there you go. Frank Zappa and the Mothers of Invention would be so proud of me. Okay, so there you go. That is the quick fix of the day. Now to finish cleaning up and getting back inside and making a pizza. We got a Rouse. My buddy Paul is going to be so jealous. He turned me on to Rouse, and now Rouse makes pasta and spaghetti sauce that's really good. Now they're making pizza, and so I'm going to try the pizza before Paul. Anyway, and Kelly too. So Kelly's going to bake it, and I'm going to help eat it. All right, so there you go. And here is our evening tonight. Look at this. The bright colors of the sunset just ditched us. Kelly's got some pictures. And there's that Ab-Fab truck camper. Yeah. And if we walk around here, we can see the lovely Miss Poppy, who has been trying to get outside to be with me all day. Okay, that's it for now.